During the Easter season, on the Sundays of Easter, we renew our baptismal vows. And so, what I'd like to do this week is to offer a brief reflection on each one of the promises that we make uh, and that we reinforce each year and renew each year during the season of Easter. So, the first one says, "Do you renounce sin so as to live in the freedom of the children of God?" So, why does renouncing sin or avoiding sin make us free? It's because avoiding sin means following the path of goodness. And it's following the path of goodness that makes us free, because we are most free when we are doing what is good. Because when we're doing what is good, we're doing what God created us to do. We are fulfilling ourselves in the very image of God. And so when we follow the path of goodness and renounce sin, we are more open, we are more honest, more giving, more forgiving, more compassionate, and in particular, when we follow the path of goodness, when we renounce sin, we are truly happy. And so when we renounce sin and when we renew the baptismal promise to renounce sin, we are at the same time renewing our intention to live freely, to be free to love one another. We are promising to live in the freedom of the children of God.